Hello everyone, this is Mr. and Mrs. E. Welcome to our cooking channel. Today we're going to share how to make easy braised tofu with Chinese kale at home. If you like a savory sauce with tender tofu and crunchy vegetables, you will like this recipe. First, get some crunchy vegetables. Today I'm using Chinese kale, but any nice green vegetable from your local market or garden will work as well. I cut them at an angle because it makes the vegetables look more attractive. And you know, we always eat with our eyes first. I put them into a big bowl and set aside. Now I get a piece of tofu and I'm cutting it into bite-sized cubes. Tofu comes in different densities, from soft to extra firm. And for this dish today, I'm using firm tofu. After doing this, I also put them into a small bowl and set aside. For the sauce, I use 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of ground white pepper, and I add a 1/4 cup of water and give them a stir. And then I add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And also mix them evenly. Then the sauce is done, which is the foundation of this dish. Now I turn on the heat and bring a pot of water to boil, and I added some oil and salt. Now I put the Chinese kale in to give it a blanch. Once the water boils again, it's done. We need to drain the veggies and set aside. With 2 tablespoons of oil, I start to fry the tofu. Once the tofu starts to brown on one side, flip it over. When I am doing this, I use chopsticks like my mother and my grandmother, but you can use anything you're comfortable with. Okay, now I am adding the veggie on the top. Spread them evenly, and then add the sauce we made before. Cover quickly and let it simmer for a minute, or until the sauce thickens. And then it will be done. The reason why I like this recipe is because the sauce brings together the crunchiness of the veggie and the tenderness of the tofu, and the result is a happy mouthful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos, and if you like them, give us a like. 我们下期再见喽，拜拜。Chinese kale stem is really crunchy. I love it so much.